Swiss cheese.
He knows what he's doing.
I'm working on this small frame, getting this motor apart. It's interesting.
Very interesting.
It's a V50 Vespa 50L, which is a 50cc Vespa. This one happens to be a 4-speed, which I didn't realize was a thing. I thought they were going to all be 3 speeds, but I don't know that much about these weird European models of small frames.
I thought I knew everything.
You can see here, it's definitely 4-speed. Rotary pad looks a little bit marred, but I don't feel it.
I'm not feeling it.
So I think we're gonna be good there. There is a weld here to the crankcase. It's been replaced. I'm wondering if whatever blew up in here to break the case down there.
You know, I've been blown up, beaten up.
It was when they decided to put a 4-speed gearbox in this, or what? Maybe somebody knows better than me, but anyway, it's all laid out here. Quite a mess. But we'll get it cleaned up, rebuilt, back in. Hey, so I got the small frame back from paint and bought, metal work and all that. It's looking pretty good. I just got to start running cables and wiring, do the floor rails, and so yeah, it's looking pretty good. Check this out. There's the frame all painted. Already got the wiring harness run. New floor, looking good. There's the rest of it. But yeah. So this bike had some rear end damage down in this area, and then up here there were some extra holes drilled, so we just decided to fill all the badge holes and then re-drill them. So what I've done here is I lay out blue tape, and then using the badge I press it into a piece of cardboard to get where my holes go, tape that on, mark my holes, and then I'm going to go ahead and drill them one at a time to make sure that they line up as I go along. If I drill all 4 and one of them's off a little bit, then we're stuck.
Damn, we're in a tight spot.
So we're gonna do 1 hole at a time, and then hopefully it'll fit. See, this is why I do them 1 at a time. I started here, and as I went across, I kept lining it up. Look, when I ended up here, my mark was way off.
I told you.
So now it's correct. One thing I want to mention, you see I'm working on this moving blanket. I like to use moving blankets because they're kind of padded. Anyway, since I've had to drill holes for the floor rails, holes for the badges, you just want to be sure as you're drilling, you know, shavings can get embedded in these. And then when you flip your bike on its side like this, little shavings can scratch your fresh paint. So, if you're drilling holes or anything like that, I suggest moving it off of the blanket or spraying everything off really well with compressed air, or use rolled up duct tape and try and stick shavings off of that, just so it doesn't scratch your brand new paint.